Hello everyone, I'm Salsabila Putri Budianti and I'm student at Trisakti Institute of Transportation and Logistics. Welcome to this video where we'll diving into the fascinating about international trade. International trade can be defined as a number of trade transactions or buying and selling between buyers and sellers. In this case, one country with another country in the form of exports and imports in a market in order to achieve maximum profit for both parties. International trade has the main objective of increasing gross domestic product or GDP, meaning that international trade aims to increase the total value of the production of goods and services sold by a country to other countries during 1 year. International trade refers to exchange of goods and services from one country to another. In other words, imports and exports. Export is the activity of selling goods or services from within the country to other countries. Objectives of export activity is adding to the expansion of the domestic market and starting to develop it in the global or world market. This is also very helpful for domestic producers and controlling the market price of an exported product. Generally, the price of products in the domestic market is cheaper than the export price. Thus, exporters can control the market price of the product. Import is the activity of buying goods or services from abroad to fulfill domestic needs. The purpose of importing or buying products from abroad is fulfilling the needs of domestic companies for imported raw materials or products. This is in accordance with the definition of import that has been explained and increase the country's foreign exchange through customs fees on imported goods. International trade, there are two types of trade, visible and invisible trade. Visible trade, the movement of goods across the national frontiers except as personal baggage, charitable donations, etc. is known as visible trade. These goods are said to be visible because they are recorded in the records of customs department. Invisible trade, the services rendered, make or received in form of shipping, insurance, technical know-how, consultancy, etc. Capital borrow or land interest and dividend received or paid on account of foreign instrument. The students abroad give, donations, etc. constitute invisible trade. This is disadvantage of international trade. First, unequal distribution of benefits. One of the most severe impacts of international trade is the unequal distribution of benefits among the countries involved. Second, dependence on exports. Countries that rely heavily on exports are at significant risk of global market fluctuations. When demand for exports products declines, the impact can be devastating for their economies. Third, intense global competition. In an atmosphere of fierce competition for international trade, local jobs can suffer. Local industries often have to compete with products from all over the world, placing great pressure on their level of competitiveness. Fourth, environmental impacts. International production and transportation processes often contribute to environmental damage. Air pollution, abuse of natural resources, and deforestation are negative impacts that need to be seriously addressed. And fifth, regulatory differences. Regulatory differences between countries are often a serious obstacle to international trade. Meeting different standards can increase costs and impede trade flows. International trade benefits all economies and consumers. Consumers have a greater variety of goods to choose from. Goods are available at lower prices. If countries can trade, there is better allocation and utilization of resources. By competing against other nations, companies become more efficient and produce better goods. Countries that trade a lot tend to have lower unemployment than protectionist nations. International trade enables countries to sell their surplus produce. International trade fosters peace, goodwill, and mutual understanding between nations. And this is the reference. Thank you for watching this video on international trade and see you on the next video.